Oh boy. Roll in slow. Hey you guys, hope everybody's doing good. Today we are on a pretty good size adventure on the, I got the big bike there behind me. So you guys are gonna see some beautiful country. It's just gonna be random clips though. It's a pretty good lengthy journey, so it's pretty hard to film everything. But it's gonna be some beautiful shots. Gopher. See the train tracks over there. That's what we're going to get on. That straight line is the old railroad. We're going to get on it right up here. I don't know how well that picture comes out. You guys can pause that. On the old train tracks. They're little tiny guys. Beautiful. Oh, you guys, this is fun. It's a pretty easy going ride so far, but not a bad view here, eh? Oh, there's a big bird soaring up there. Yeah, it's an old train track, so there's a cool spot here. You see all the old railroad ties. I guess that's what they did so many years ago, and they just threw them over the edge, I guess. Beautiful. Sure loving the old adventure bike there. It's a beauty. Big lake down in there. Whoops, sorry, I'm trying to ride straight and look at the lake. It's tricky. Oh, I saw a big structure up here. I wasn't sure what the heck it was. Looks like someone decided to leave their camper. Looks like they lived here for a while. Nice of someone. Little camp resort down there. I think there's a bit of a, yeah, there is a lake here actually. Oh, we should have gone and checked that out. Beautiful. Oh, a little stream coming in. I love streams. Rivers and streams, I'm your guy. I think I found my first moto camping spot. You guys tell me this is a terrible spot. Wow. Tent right there. It's a bit of a camp resort thingy over there, I guess, but there's these little private things all over the place, I guess. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, not bad. Look at that beautiful cliff. I think I'm going to mark this as one of my first moto camping spots. I'm a total newbie to moto camping, in case you guys didn't know that. Not a terrible area, that's for sure. Got myself in a pickle here. As you can see, we're going to have to use the little skid turn method. I want to splash you guys. Oh, beauty little creek. My gosh, it's beautiful back here. Wow. Hello. Imagine riding a train through back in the day through all this. It's going to be a long video. I'll try and keep it short, but a lot of nice stuff to show. The forest. There's lush green meadows down there. Holy, what beautiful country. Wow, wow. Look at this country here, you guys. Let me find a spot. I can't really see through the trees. That FSR road down there looks like uber fun. Oh, I might be able to see stuff from up here. Oh gosh, it's just beautiful everywhere I look. Oh, right there, look at that. Ah, I want to get that good picture. It's a pretty amazing country, there's no doubt about it. Wow, it's unfortunate they have to log stuff, but I guess it's part of the game. It will grow back eventually, but it just looks like, doesn't look too good while we're here anyways, but that's some gnarly logging. You can see the steep hills there where they must have went up and down with the machine, because that's gnarly steep. It doesn't look like it, but it is. Wow. Yeah, the water around these parts is always so clear. It's unbelievable. I think I'm going the right way. not quite warm enough to go for a dunk in the water, but it's getting there. So we're off the railway now and we're on a forestry service road. I kind of drew a track connecting one city to the other. So basically we're going up over the mountain. I'm not sure if it's doable or not, but we're going to find out. Another big lake down in the valley there in the canyon. Swamp, I guess you'd call that one. Wow, that view's almost picture worthy. You can see the whole range of, I believe that's getting close to the Rockies over there, those big snow-capped peaks. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Nice. Logging. Story of my life. I don't know where we're going, but I'm following my GPS track. Oh, you guys, I just crossed a pretty major river. I didn't film anything because it was sketching me out. It was probably a good couple feet deep. Luckily, I ran into another guy back there, so he kind of spotted me on my way through it. Made it through without any troubles, but yeah, that's a little sketchy. Oh boy. Roll in slow. Nice and slow, roll it on. That's a little gnarly. Whew. Oh, I just had a little break there, you guys. Holy cow. I did some gnarly things on an adventure bike that you shouldn't really do. But I was kind of committed to the trail and it was a long way if I had to turn around. Holy cows. Well, that's gonna do it for me, you guys. I'm tuckered out and I'm almost on pavement.